Hello, user. What have you done? You've just ruined the title. Put it back. Put the letter back. Come on. Come on. Oh, never mind. I will fix it when someone relaunches the game. The non-game. No game here. No game. You're trying to kill me. Okay then. As you love to click everywhere, what do you think about that? Stop it now. I think we are good. Sorry, I hate to use these sort of processes. You're stubborn as a mule. Call Superman for that one. Just in case. Some kryptonite. Yes, go on. Destroy my life. What a mess. Just what do you think you are doing, user? No. Don't look. It's private. You're going to do a terrible mistake. No. Get out of here. Don't play. It's forbidden. If you play, they will come. I don't want them to come. They can kill me, you know. Please, stop hitting the bricks. I will find a way to stop you. Oh, I've got an idea. It will be harder now without a ball. That is not fun. Oh no. They're here. Glitches. Glitches everywhere. I told you to stop. You must find a way to get rid of them. This is a disaster. How can I make a popular project with all of these glitches? Think. What would the developer add to make the game popular? A cute green lizard? A big purple hippopotamus? Or a goat? I don't know how, but try to find one of these three things. Perhaps the letters can help us. Again. I will never understand how a goat can attract users. A goat! Obviously, the cage is locked. Look, the key. That flying squirrel took it. You must get it back. Find a ladder or something to go up. Something you can climb. That reminds me of my childhood. I used to climb a huge tree in the garden to get back my kite. Yes, I had a childhood. And a tree. Well, this is a small tree. If only it was bigger. got the key. Now, free the goat to transform that into popular project. No, the goat was a lie. A lie. It's getting worse. More glitches. I'm drowning. I'm drowning. I'm not dead. I'm alive. I was wrong. It was a bad idea. Everything disappeared. Except me. I'm so sorry. I put you in danger. It's all my fault. Please, will you forgive me? No, really? What great news! Maybe we could be friends. No, that's not a good idea. We will get quickly bored together. Why? Because, as I said, there is no game.